All right, guys, welcome back to Next Pips. On today's video, I'm going to be advising you that consider being a trader, because when I started trading forex, I was not aware that today will come where I'll be able to make like 10k in a month or even in a week. So I'm going to be guiding you today on how you can start trading with a trading bot. I'm actually in Europe now, and I traveled for some vacation, and I'll show you guys that you too can make a lot of money in the forex market using automated trading. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this particular trading bot with my strategy, and it's going to be absolutely free, guys. I'll show you how to do it and how to install it on your MT5 once I get to my hotel room. So watch this video to the ending and don't forget to subscribe.
It's trading bots. Like you already know that I trade with trading bots. I used to trade on my own, and I think I used to miss a trend, or I used to miss some analysis. You cannot be 100% correct in technical analysis, and if actually you are 100% correct in technical analysis, the fundamental analysis and news are still going to eat up your account or blow your account. So decide on that. I actually choose to trade with automated trading bots. And some of these bots I actually code them on my own. And if you're not conversant with coding, you can still use AI to code a trading bot. So right on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually create your own trading bot from scratch using AI. So it's going to be a quick video, and I'll still show you guys how to start trading with a trading bot today and grow your account. So let's get started. My name is Nespip, and I teach coding, and I also teach how to trade with MT5 trading bots. So if you're not following, do well to subscribe and join my Telegram channel for videos from us. So let's get started. To keep everything straightforward and clean. So as you can see here, this is my Chrome, and if I open ChatGPT, if you are not registered on ChatGPT, you can do well to register. It's very seamless to do that. ChatGPT is actually a tool, AI tools that can support you in all journey. Maybe you are a web designer, a YouTuber, or a developer. So you can see right here, this is my ChatGPT. Next thing I'm going to install on my PC is what is called MT5. You can download MT5. If you search for MT5 as a beginner here, you're going to be seeing a lot of companies that provide MT5, but this is actually the basic. This is actually the real MT5. So you can just click on it, and you're going to be seeing a button to download on your Windows or Apple device. So you can see here, this for Apple, this for Windows, this is for Windows, and this for mobile. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you're going to be having MT5, right? You can see on my video, this is my MT5 from Deriv. Okay, so here, once you download MT5, you're going to be having MetaTrader on your PC as a default app. So this is MetaTrader editor. You can see here. So just go ahead and click on that to open your MetaTrader. Okay, so you can see this is my MetaTrader, and you can see a lot of trading bots I've been working on. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to click on click on file. As you can see, let me drag that down so that you'll be able to see it. So you can see this is file. Click on it, and here you're going to click on new project. So once you click on new project, you're going to be clicking on expert. So you leave it on default on expert. So here you're going to click on next. So here you're going to be changing the name to let me say XAU USD bot. So here you click on next and you're going to leave this on trade. And if your option is not showing on trade, you can leave it as default and click next. So once you click on next, then here you're going to be avoiding this. If you actually click on tester, it means this trading bot is going to work on only on tester. So just leave it on default and click finish. Okay, so here let me go and open the XAUSD bot. This is it right here. Okay, so let me close this, and this is my bot. Okay, let me drag this down so that you'll be able to see my code. Okay, so here I'm going to clean up this default generated code, Control A, and I'll delete. Okay, so the next stage is using AI to create our trading bot. To actually start trading with the best strategy, you're going to be making use of AI. Okay, AI actually knows 90% of the best strategy. It actually 90%. I didn't say 100%. So here I would say, give me the best trading strategy. Okay. So I'll wait for it to answer that for me. Okay, so here you see your time available, blah, blah, blah. Trend and pull back. Okay, so I'm going to ask him that I want to use it for MT5 bot. Okay, MT5 bot or EA. Okay, MT5 EA bot, so that to understand. So okay, so one of the best EA friendly strategy is EMA trend plus I. Okay, this is the best I do use. So what I'm going to do here is just to copy that. Let me keep this very simple for you so that you'll be able to understand what I'm doing. So I'm actually making this video for beginners and experts if you want to actually start creating your own trading bots. Okay, so let me copy that. I've actually copied that. So now go to my DeepSeek. DeepSeek, why I love to use DeepSeek for my coding is because it is unlimited. You cannot pay, and you can use it as long as you wish. So here I'm going to ask him create XAUSD trading bot EA MT5. Just keep your prompts that simple. Using my strategy, paste your strategy which you got from the ChatGPT here. So, and you click on this arrow up. So here is going to build you your MT5 trading bot. And note, this is not a scalping trading bot. It has to follow the rules, which is this EMA trend plus RSI filter plus ATR stop loss. So you're going to follow this trend. It's not a scalping trading bot. It's not a bot that you just plug and you start seeing your profit or loss. So this particular trading bot have to take time to analyze the market, wait for the breakout structure and rest before placing a trade. So not when I'm testing it on this video, you guys will start saying it's not working, it's working. So you have to wait for the chart to analyze before the EA starts working. So here you can see it is working on it. And let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so here you can see the bot has finished, and here you can see it actually gives you the bot strategy summary. You can see here long buy, slow and bullish trend, and that's all. And here risk management, stop loss, So everything is actually written here. If you actually want to go through that, you can do that. So lot size per 100, that is 0.01, which is actually okay, and you can actually modernize or change the lot size. So what I'm going to do here is just to copy this. So once I copy it, I'll go to my meta editor, which I opened at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to paste it here. So once I paste it here, I'm going to check everything is correct. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this green button that shows debugging. So click on it. So if there's an error, it's going to show you the error. So you can see here we have 3 errors. So what I'm going to do is hold and select. So, and I'm going to copy that. So I'm going to copy. So once I copy, I'll go back and show DeepSeek that there's error. So paste that. So here you can see it's actually recoding, editing the code. Okay, so actually showed you guys about this particular website, which is AI Voso, that you can actually create or already generated AI trading bot. If you come here, you can see MT5 trading bot right here, builder. So once you click on that build, you can see here you can download already created trading bot like this Scalping Pro. I've been using it since last year and it works very fine. It's a scalping trading bot. You can see here this is a trend trading bot and rest. So all you have to do is just select any of them that you want and you click download. Here you have your trading bot straight up. Okay, so it's very simple to use. Just visit aivoso.com. So let's go and check to know if the one I'm actually teaching you guys for free has finished building. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this. So once I copy that, I will go back and edit my trading bot. So here, let me drag it down to be able to see. So paste here. So let me debug again. So whoa, there was 0 error. Okay, let me go back and show you guys what happened there. So here you can see, let me stop the debugging again. So here there was 0 error. There was 0 error. Okay. Go back. There was 0 error. You can see there was no errors. If you come here, there was no error. Here, 0 errors, 0 warning, and everything works fine. So let me actually use this trading bot on XAUSD. So how to do it? Immediately you debug, you're going to be having your trading bot on your list right here. Okay. So let me show you the bot. Let me go down. Okay, this is the bot here. You can see XAUSD bot. So if you're not having it here, if you debug, automatically it's going to be saving somewhere on your file. So it's going to be saving somewhere on your file. Or if you don't have it here, you can actually click on there and click save as and save it .mql5. Okay, so it's very simple to do that. So once you're done doing that, see my bot here. So just double click on it or drag it to your Windows right here. So once you drag it to your Windows, you're going to be having it here. Okay. So now all you have to do is just make sure you turn your algo trading on. And let me ask DeepSeek if this bot trade on which time frame. Just ask which time frame in order to be sure. Time frame. Okay. So the time frame, the best time frame is 1 hour. Okay. So let me go back and set it to 1 hour. It's already on 1 hour. So you can see this bot is on. So I'm going to wait for this bot to start working. And note, this is not a scalping trading bot. It's a bot that have to analyze the market before placing a trade. And if you want to test this bot while coding, all you have to do is to come to this place that shows the bot, right click, and you're going to be having an option that show. Okay, let me show you guys. So if you right click, you're going to be seeing text here. Click on that. So select 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. So here we do last 1 year. So everything is okay. 0.01 lot size, then click start. Okay, so you can see here my balance is 500. So wait for this bot to actually start trading. Okay, so this is how I test my trading bot. And like I told you guys that this is not a scalping trading bot. Unlike this particular trading bot, let me show you. Can see here the bot is actually working. I've actually made $100. You can see I was having just $500. You can see. So actually use ChatGPT to build a good trading bot. And note that this is not a scalping trading bot. This is not a scalping trading bot. You can see the market, the bot has actually traded three trading bot, three. Okay, this is four. Okay, this is four. Let me check how much you have made. Okay, one did not actually enter. Okay, so this is how you can build your own trading bot as a beginner and use it to grow your account. Okay, you can see here was $500 and now it is $665. Okay, so if you love what I'm doing, guys, please you can support by subscribing and like the video. And thank you for watching. If you have a question, you can actually drop it on this video, please. And if you want this particular bot that I just finished coding, which the AI code, you can just say hi and I'll drop it once this video hits like 2K views. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.